Let's dive in and get Elasticsearch installed on your home PC so you can follow along in this course if you'd like to. Now, Elasticsearch is going to be running on an Ubuntu Linux system for this course, but if you don't already have an Ubuntu system sitting around, that's okay. What we're going to show you is how to install VirtualBox on your Mac or Windows PC, and that will allow you to install Ubuntu running right on your own desktop within a little virtual environment. Once we have Ubuntu installed inside VirtualBox, we'll install Elasticsearch on it, and after that, we'll install the complete works of William Shakespeare into Elasticsearch and see if we can successfully search that. So that's a lot to do in one lecture, but I'll get you through it. Let's talk briefly about system requirements. Pretty much any PC should be able to handle this. You don't need a ton of resources for Elasticsearch. If you do run into trouble, however, make sure that you have virtualization enabled in your BIOS settings on your PC, and specifically make sure that Hyper-V virtualization is off, if that's an option in your BIOS. But just try following along first. You shouldn't need to tinker with your BIOS settings unless you run into problems. Also, beware that the antivirus program called Avast is known to conflict with VirtualBox, so you'll need to switch to a different one or turn it off while using this course if you're going to be using Avast antivirus. With that, let's dive in and get this set up. So if you're running on Windows or a Mac PC, then you need to install a virtual environment to run Ubuntu within first. And to do that, we're going to use VirtualBox. So if you're already on Ubuntu, you don't need to do this, but for those of you on Windows or Macs, you'll need to do this step first. Head on over to virtualbox.org, right there, and click on the big friendly download button here. It is free software. And I am on Windows, so I'm going to go ahead and download the Windows version of the binary. Once the installer for your operating system is downloaded, go ahead and run it. There's nothing special about it really, just go through the steps that it walks you through. Next, choose where you want to install it. All these defaults are A-OK. It will interrupt your network connection while installing, so make sure you're okay with that, and go ahead and install. Give it any permissions it needs, and off it goes. That was easy, so let's go ahead and hit finish here. And VirtualBox is sitting there waiting for us to add some virtual machines to it. So next we need to actually download an operating system to run within our virtual environment here. For that, head on over to ubuntu.com, like that. From the Ubuntu homepage here, just look for the download link. And we want to use the Ubuntu server, and we're looking for the 18.04 long-term support version. Go ahead and wait for that to download. This will take longer because it's a much bigger download. We'll come back when that's done. So the image for the Ubuntu installation media has downloaded successfully. Just make sure you know where it went on your PC. Now we're going to go back to VirtualBox and set it up. So from the VirtualBox Manager, let's go to the Machine menu and say New to add a new virtual machine. We'll give it a name, Elasticsearch. So I'm going to change the machine folder to another drive that has more space on it. My C drive is almost full, so make sure that you're using a hard drive that has plenty of space for this. For me, my E drive has the most room, and you'll need to create a folder in there to put this in. I already have a VirtualBox VMs folder, and let's go ahead and create a new folder to put this stuff in. We'll call it Elasticsearch 7, and select that folder. Linux is the correct type, but we want the version to be Ubuntu 64-bit. There we go, hit next. And I'm going to allocate about half of my physical memory to this virtual machine. So for me, that's going to be 8 gigabytes, 8192 megabytes. We will go ahead and create that virtual hard disk for it. We are going to need about 20 gigabytes for that. So again, make sure we're putting it someplace that has plenty of room. Default's fine there. Dynamically allocated is fine. And we are going to select a different home for this. Make sure that that is on a drive that has plenty of space. And I'm going to increase this from 10 gigabytes to 20 gigabytes because 10 just isn't enough. Doesn't have to be exact. All right, so we've got things set up. Let's go ahead and kick that off. Just hit the big friendly green start button. We're going to now select that ISO image that we downloaded. So click on the folder icon here. Navigate to your downloads and select the image of Ubuntu 18.04.2 server. And off it goes. All right, after a couple of minutes of booting up, we're into the installation menu here. Go ahead and select your language. For me, that's English. And my keyboard layout is also English, US. Just hitting enter to select those done selections there. Hit enter again. We want to install Ubuntu. And that should be fine for the network configuration. We do not have a proxy server, so again hit enter to skip past that. The default mirror address is fine, hit enter. And we will use the entire virtual disk. Remember, this is the virtual disk we're setting up. There's no risk of actually corrupting our main operating system disk here. So hit enter again. And one more time. And everything looks fine, so hit enter again to accept the done selection there. Now here we need to use the down arrow to select continue and say, yes, I'm sure you want to do this, and enter. Type in your name. Let's say your name is student. Your server's name, whatever you want. ES7 sounds good to me. Username student. Password. Again, use whatever you want here. When you're done, hit tab to select the done selection here and enter. We do want OpenSSH server, so go ahead and hit spacebar to select that and hit tab and tab again to select done. We'll install the software that we need by hand, so go ahead and hit tab to go to the done option there and hit enter again. And now it's off and doing its thing installing, so we have to wait for this to finish. Several minutes later, that initial installation is done, and it's asking us to reboot now, so go ahead and hit enter. Don't worry about those failed messages, they're perfectly okay. We need to hit enter again. And that will reboot, hopefully, into our brand spanking new Ubuntu environment. After a minute or so, it looks like it's finished booting up. Just hit enter to get a login prompt here, and we'll log in as the username student that we set up, and the password that you also set up during installation. And we're in. Cool. All right, so we have Ubuntu up and running. Now we just need to install Elasticsearch itself on our new system. Now, if you'd like to follow along from written instructions from this point, you can head over to my website at sundog-education.com/Elasticsearch, and you'll find written steps here of what we're about to do. Or if you prefer to follow along with the video, you can do that as well. So here we go. Now that we're logged in, let's go ahead and first start off by telling Ubuntu where to find the Elasticsearch binaries. So we're going to type in wget-q uppercase O, that's an O, not a 0, then a dash with a space after it, https://artifacts.elastic.co/uppercase gpg-key-elasticsearch. Make sure you pay attention to capitalization and spaces and everything here. One wrong keystroke and it won't work, all right? All right, now we're going to do a space and a pipe symbol. That's shift \, and another space, sudo apt-key space add space dash. All right, so again, double check everything. Make sure you got all the spaces right. Make sure you got all the dashes where they should be. Everything's uppercase as should be, and that's an O and not a 0. We'll type in our password again. All right, step 1 is done. Next step, sudo apt-get install apt-transport-https. Should look like that. Next, we'll say echo space quote deb https://artifacts.elastic.co/packages/7.x, because this is Elasticsearch 7, /apt stable main quote, and then another pipe to sudo t-a space /etc/apt/sources.list.d/elastic-7.x.list. All right, and finally sudo apt-get update && sudo apt-get install Elasticsearch, which should actually go out and install Elasticsearch. That appears to have worked, so now that we've installed Elasticsearch, we need to configure it. To do that, we'll say sudo vi/ etc/elasticsearch/elasticsearch.yml. So we need to make the following changes. Go ahead and use the arrow key to move down to where it says node.name. And move over to the N in node and hit the I key to enter insert mode in the VI editor, and then backspace to get rid of that comment, thereby naming our node node-1. Very creative. And we'll keep scrolling down. Next, we're going to look for the network.host setting. There it is. Go ahead and uncomment that and change it from that to 0.0.0.0. That just makes sure that everything works fine in our virtual environment. Next, we're going to go down to Discovery and uncomment discovery.c.hosts and change that from host 1 and host 2 to 127.0.0.1 inside quotation marks, just like that. And finally, we'll go to cluster.initialMasterNodes, uncomment that as well, and set that to just node 1 because we only have one node in our little virtual cluster here. All right, that should do the job. Let's go ahead and hit the escape key to get out of insert mode, and then type in :WQ to write and quit. Now we're ready to actually start Elasticsearch up. So let's say sudo /bin/systemctl daemon-reload. Next we'll say sudo bin systemcontrol enable elasticsearch.service. And finally, sudo /bin/systemcontrol start elasticsearch.service. And this will make sure that Elasticsearch boots up automatically when we start our machine in the future. So it generally takes a minute or two for Elasticsearch to actually start up successfully. We can test if it's up and running yet by doing the following: curl-xget, all caps, 127.0.0.1:9200. And right now we're getting a connection refused because it hasn't started up yet. So I'm just going to try this again in another minute or two. And when it actually gives me back a successful response, we'll know that we're ready to move forward. All right, after a couple of minutes, I actually got back this response instead of a connection refused message. So once you see this, you know you're ready to keep on going. And you should get this default response back that just sends with for search. All right, so now that we have Elasticsearch running, we need to actually have some data to search with. Let's go and download the complete works of William Shakespeare and import that. So type in the following to get that: wget http://media.sundog-soft.com/es7/shakes-mapping.json. This just defines the schema of the data that we're about to install. Now that we've downloaded that data type mapping, let's go ahead and submit it to Elasticsearch. Thusly, curl-h quote content-type :application/json quote -exput 127.0.0.1:9200/Shakespeare. That'll be the name of our index. --data-binary @shakes-mapping.json. And that has submitted that data type mapping into Elasticsearch, so it knows how to interpret the data that we're about to get it. Let's go ahead and download the actual works of William Shakespeare with wget http://media.sundog-soft.com/es7/7.0.json. And that's everything Shakespeare has ever written in JSON format. Let's go ahead and submit that to our index: curl-h quote content-type :application/json quote -expost single quote 127.0.0.1:9200/Shakespeare/_bulk single quote --data-binary @Shakespeare_7.0.json. And we'll talk about what this is all doing later on. Right now, I just want to get you up and running and doing something cool. So that's going to go ahead and chew on the entire works of William Shakespeare and index that into Elasticsearch. That will, of course, take a few minutes, so I'll come back when that's done. All right, it took about 15 minutes for all that data to get indexed, but compared to the amount of time that it probably took William Shakespeare to write all of that, I guess that's nothing, right? Let's hit enter just to get a nice clean prompt back here. And let's get some payoff from all this work. We've done a lot so far today. We've actually installed an Ubuntu system running in a virtual environment on your own PC, installed Elasticsearch from scratch, and installed and indexed the entire works of William Shakespeare. So let's try and actually search that data now and actually do something with it. So let's issue the following command to actually search for to be or not to be and see what play that came from. I think you might know the answer, but let's just see that it works. Type in curl -uppercase quote content -type :application /JSON quote -xget single quote 127.0.0.1 :9200 /Shakespeare /_search ? Pretty single quote -d and another single quote. So basically what we're saying so far is I'm going to issue a JSON request to our Elasticsearch server that's running on 127.0.0.1 in the Shakespeare index, and I'm going to issue a search query and get the results back in nicely formatted results. Hit enter, and we're going to start off the body of our request with a open curly bracket. Enter, quote, query, quote, open curly bracket, enter. Quote again, match _phrase, quote, and another curly bracket, quote, text _entry, quote, to be or not to be, quote. You can see what's going on here. Basically, we're saying that we're sending a query to Elasticsearch to match the following phrase that contains the text to be or not to be. Enter, and we'll close off those curly brackets, 1, 2, and 3 of them, and a final single quote to close that off. And let's see what we get back. It worked. So cool. You can see here that to be or not to be came back from the play name Hamlet. The speaker was Hamlet, and the full line there was to be or not to be. That is the question. And apparently Elasticsearch has chosen to be during this lecture. We have actually successfully set it up from scratch on your own little Ubuntu system. And now that we have Elasticsearch running, we can start to learn more about how it works and start experimenting with it and doing more and more stuff with it. So keep on going, guys. It's about to get interesting. If you're done for now, however, the way to safely shut this down is to go to the machine menu of your virtual terminal here and say ACPI shutdown. That will send a shutdown message to the host and cleanly shut things down. And then when it's done, you can be free to close the VirtualBox Manager as well.